Wilton toko ingoa. My name is Dylan.
I'm already at WINTON School. Call Matthew ahau. I'm Matthew. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rerenga.
Straight to te Rerenga Kōrero Aotearoa. This week's phrase is toku Aotearoa, meaning awesome Aotearoa.
Koia ke a koe. You really nailed it. That's tui ke Aotearoa, meaning awesome Aotearoa.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing wearing their Hi Viz vest to and from school. Please do likewise.
Health and safety news. We in Icy Concrete, please walk around school with care, especially around corners. Kia ora.
In gardens, koutou, WIKI walk around them.
Pals news. Check out the window on the library for who and where. Not sure who's up today.
And speaking of pals, all pals leaders, please meet Mr. T at interval, thank you.
And magazine. You have a meeting with Mr. T at lunchtime. Kia ora.
Birthday news. One today at WINTON School. Sam Jukes is lucky 7.
Ra whanau kia koe, Sam. Have a great day.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay off the grass, WINTON School.